Here we are at Bakhchisarai, the capital of the Khans in 1428, and now the capital of the Crimea. It is picturesquely studded with stately mosques and minarets. The Khan's palace was built in the middle of the 16th century, and it is still a place of rare beauty. It is a town of many legends and old traditions. It lies sheltered by great mountains steeped in its romantic past. It has ever attracted the minds and pens of great writers and poets. The great Pushkin was inspired here. The winding cobblestone streets still hold typical Eastern aspects, and the town shows many signs of ancient sufferings, having been burned twice by the Russian troops in their Crimean warfare with the Turks. But with all the troubled past and seeming poverty, the people of the town seem quite content. The business of the capital of Crimea goes along as endlessly as do the streams that flow through the valleys.